You know, after 680 videos that I've made here on my photography channel, you get to realize that after a couple of dozen comments that say, you know, your B-roll is a little shaky. Well, I knew it was about time to change that. So guys, this is photo class 688. I did buy, yes, I spent money on a brand new DJI Osmo Mobile SE smartphone gimbal stabilizer. And that's what I'm using now for this video. I have it attached to my Samsung smartphone, Android, whatever you wish to call it. I am using wireless, cordless, newer lapel microphone. And this is what it looks like. We're walking around here, this beautiful state park in New York City called Mount Loretto. This is quite different from me. Usually I take photos and then we discuss the photos in the studio. Let's just stop for a second. Okay, so I'm switching hands. Comment below if you notice any difference from this video as compared to all the other videos. So since I'm filming with the DJI Osmo SE gimbal stabilizer, I won't be able to show it to you other than these photographs. So to me, it's a great stabilizer. It does come with a removable tripod base. It's magnetic. The phone just slaps right on it. Now, let's talk about price. Remember, I bought this. This is not a sponsored video. Oh, look, I'm stretching my arm way out. Look at that. Okay, so price. I looked on Amazon first. I did not buy it on Amazon because they wanted $99. And I said, there's got to be a better price out there. So I shopped on using Google Shopping, whatever. They're not a sponsor either. And Adorama came up. And to my surprise, Adorama was $55, brand new, sealed, not a refurb, with free shipping. So my hat goes off to Adorama, even though I bought it from them. This is not a sponsored video. How did they do that? I don't know. From $99 on Amazon to $55 on Adorama. It's great. All right, let's do a little bit more walking and talking. Okay, so this is not my first gimbal. I did have a gimbal stabilizer years ago by some third-party brand, and it was so complicated that I said there's got to be a better way. So I just did all my B-roll handheld, and I'll be honest, yes, it was shaky to say the least, but this DJI Osmo SE is the simplest. You want to call it basic, you want to call it for newbies, whatever, that's for me. Now, I did not download the app. So I said, well, let's see, what am I going to not be able to do with this if I don't download the app? And the features, I don't really care that I can't, quote, use the features if I don't download the app. All I want this to do is to take stable video, not be all jumpy like when I just hold the cell phone. And I'm pleased with it. So I guess this really will end all of the jumpy, non-stabilized video B-rolls that I'll be showing. What I do like is that with this cell phone, no other selfie stick is needed. I just have to get used to holding it so I'm in the frame, I guess. So if you guys have a DJI Osmo stabilizer, now there's many stabilizers out there. Let's just stop for a second. There are many different stabilizers out there made by DJI. Some of them are hundreds of dollars. I just wanted very basic. And this is it. This is about as basic as you can get. 55 bucks, brand new. Now, do I recommend it? Yes. For anyone, whether you're just starting your YouTube channel and you want to have good B-roll or your A-roll, whatever, it's great. I like it. And for me, that has little patience on learning new gear, this is it. You just put the phone on and you have control of the movement, right or left. I'm just using the little thumb button right now. Left or right, up and down, that's all you really want. And so now I'll do a jog simulation and let's see if it's stable. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not going to do it anymore. I'll leave that for you guys who are not in your 7th decade. Okay, so once again, hats off to Adorama. They did not send me this, but my hats off to them because they had the best price. And these days, that's all you really want. A good product, lowest price. Okay, guys, so listen, comment below. I've been telling people, comment below on what country you're watching this video from, but comment on anything. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, of course, and here's something else. Become a member of this channel. I picked the lowest price for membership that YouTube allows. It's 99 cents. A lot of other channels are, the average is $5. No, because if you want to become a member, now what do you get for being a member? Well, right now you get to see videos, some of them, days before the general public. All right, guys, have a great day.